Picture this: the sizzle of a hot grill, the tantalizing aroma of barbecue, and the satisfying sight of mouth-watering dishes waiting to be devoured. Welcome to the world of barbecuing, a place where food, fun, and friends come together in a fantastic fusion of flavors. We all know the feeling, standing at the grill, tongs in hand, hoping to achieve that perfect char, that juicy tenderness, that unforgettable taste. Yet we often find ourselves battling overdone burgers, dry chicken, or undercooked ribs. But fear not, for today we delve into the art of barbecuing, exploring the secrets behind your barbecue favorites. Ribs, a barbecue classic, need a good marinade to soak in overnight. A blend of sweet and tangy flavors, plus a hint of spice, works wonders. Remember, slow and low is the key to grilling ribs to perfection. Burgers, a staple of any grill, sing when seasoned, simply with salt and pepper, just before hitting the grill. Keep them juicy by resisting the urge to press down on the patty as it cooks. Chicken, often tricky to get right, benefits from a brine to keep it moist and flavorful. Grill over indirect heat to avoid drying it out or charring it too much. And let's not forget veggies. A light coating of oil, some simple seasoning, and a hot grill can turn even the humblest vegetable into a star. But what's the secret ingredient? The magic touch that elevates your barbecue to the next level. It's something you can't buy in a store. It's your creativity. Experiment with flavors, try out new techniques, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Remember, mastering the art of barbecue is a journey, one that requires practice, patience, and a whole lot of passion. Keep these tips in mind, and you'll be well on your way to becoming a grill master.
Now, it's your turn. Share your favorite BBQ recipes, your tips and tricks, your grilling successes and mishaps. And don't forget to check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. Here's to the joy of grilling, to the magic of barbecue, to good food and good times. Happy grilling.